Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to please check out this beautiful natural haircut that is really trending this season. One thing about the style is that they are haircut that really will create that effect, of a beautiful natural movement, and it's a haircut that will help your hair to really go healthily and will draw attention to your face. So this is a hairstyle to go for, because you can see how it will help to give your hair that balance and youthful look it wants. So one beautiful thing about this hairstyle is that it's one of the best haircuts for older women, because they are so low maintenance haircuts. You actually do not need to style them, but just in case you're still up for the hairstyling game, there are some useful tips for really shaping your short hair. And the key word I just want to let you know this morning is just to keep the locks healthy and nourished. Please don't skip deep conditioning and oily treatment in your hair care routine, because it will help to always achieve those soft and shiny mane. And try to use heat protectants to avoid those heat damage and dryness, because healthy hair is just the foundation for our beautiful hair. Don't forget that texturizing products are just the best friends of any short haircut. So whenever you feel your short natural haircut needs some extra grip or volume, just mix your favorite hairspray all over your hair and enjoy the long-lasting hairstyle. Okay, so with this in mind, I would like you to please watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this video to the end, because we've carefully selected some beautiful short natural haircut for beautiful matured women to make you look gracious. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.